Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate your time. So today I went to the beauty supply store and I bought a 13 by 4 pre-plucked 12-inch lace frontal. As you can see, this bad boy needs to be bleached and plucked a little bit. I also purchased a electric hot comb. And then this right here are my bundles, so let's just jump into the video and get started. Alright, so first I just took the hair out the package and I'm combing through, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. Of course, we need to bleach these roots, honey, because these black dots is not cute. So I'm going to use some BW2 powder along with some 40 developer. I'm going to mix these two until I get like a thick consistency so I can apply it to my frontal. Okay guys, when you're doing anything that contains bleach, you want to make sure you're wearing some gloves. Because if not, the bleach will start like burning your fingers and it's horrible. So here I'm just showing you guys the consistency of the bleach. If it's like watery, it'll seep through the lace and it'll bleach the hair, and that's what we don't want, okay? Because then you're gonna have to go back in and fix your mistakes, and I don't feel like going through all that. So making sure that the consistency is like very thick. Now I'm using I don't know what you call this. I'm gonna call it a cake icing spreader. You're gonna use that thing here and you're gonna apply your bleach to the frontal. Now you can use a knife, a butter knife if you want. You can use a coloring brush if you want. It doesn't matter, whatever you're comfortable with to apply the bleach into the frontal without seeping through the lace. Okay, so when you're done, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna let this process for about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and rinse it out. So after I checked on it and it was time to rinse the hair out, I'm gonna go into the sink and I'm gonna start the shampooing process. Alright y'all, so this is what the frontal looks like after I bleached it. This looks so much better than what it was before. So I'm pretty much happy with it, so I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it out. Now for the shampoo, to eliminate any brassy or orangey looking tones in the lace after I have bleached it, this Shimmer Lights, Purple Shimmer Light shampoo right here will get that out of there. So what you want to do is apply it to everywhere you put the bleach on the frontal, and make sure you set it in real good, and then we're gonna let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's what the directions say on the back of the shampoo. So after I get it lavender in real good, I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it's literally been 5 minutes, and so I rinsed the shampoo out, and then I put some conditioner on my frontal, and then I rinsed the conditioner out off camera, and then now I'm just placing my frontal on my blockhead so I can prepare to lay my baby hairs. For my baby hairs, I'm going to be using my foam wrap lotion, and this part is pretty much self-explanatory. Just watch your girl work. Alright y'all, so once I'm done, this is what my frontal looks like. And then I'm gonna take my little head wrap thing here, and I'm just gonna lay my frontal down, and I'm gonna dry it with my blow dryer. Right, so this is what it looks like, you guys, after it's dried. So I'm going to spray very lightly my Gus to be blue hairspray, and I'm just going to set these edges in, and I'm going to run over it with my hot comb. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using a dome cap, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Nothing new, your typical dome cap. So here I'm just placing my frontal on top of my dome cap. You want to put your frontal half an inch in front the dome cap. So that's what you'll see me doing here. And then I'm going to get some eyeshadow. And I'm going to mark out where my frontal lays on top of the dome cap. Now, guys, I could have just glued my frontal down and took my dome cap off and just sewed my frontal onto the dome cap. I didn't think about that until afterwards. So you guys can learn from my mistakes. You do not have to do what I'm doing here. On this part, you can just put the hair glue on the frontal, glue the frontal to the dome cap, and it'll be easier that way rather than trying to outline it and check it and see and make sure it's even and lining up to your natural hairline. It's just too much. But I didn't think about it until afterwards. So yeah, y'all don't have to do this. Right here where it's looking at that, just put some glue on that part and glue it down, and you'll get the same results. Alright, take your dome cap off, and then line up your frontal where you have outlined it. Well, in my case, where I have outlined it. If you glue it down, all you have to do at this point is just pin the hair up and just sew it in. But here I have to go in and I have to pin it down with my T-pins, and then I'm going to sew it in. Alright, so once you're done sewing it down, this is what it looks like, you guys. Halfway there with your wig. So now let's just take it off and cut this black part of the dome from under the frontal off, because we no longer need that part because we just sewn down. The wig is now attached to the dome cap, so we no longer need the black part that's under the frontal. So let's just cut that out. Okay, so once you cut off the excess dome cap, this is what your frontal wig should look like so far. So I'm so excited. Let's put this on, hunty, and see what it looks like, honey. Yes. So again, I bought this frontal from the beauty supply store, you guys, and it was only $50, and I am really liking the way it's coming out. Also, guys, don't forget to watch part 2 of my lace frontal wig series. I will leave a link in the description box below, so you just click on the link and it'll take you to the next video to complete this lace frontal wig. And guys, also don't forget to rate, comment, and please subscribe. I am trying to build my channel, and I really appreciate you guys' support. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoy. Bye.